What are lots in Forex trading? In Forex trading, a lot is a standardized unit used to measure the volume or size of a trade. It represents the quantity of currency bought or sold in a transaction. Forex traders offer various lot sizes to enter the market. The importance of lot size in Forex trading. There are 4 common lot sizes in Forex trading: standard lots, mini lots, micro lots, and nano lots. Each lot size requires a different minimum investment to open a Forex trade and has a distinct value for 1 pip movement. Standard lots, 100,000 currency units. The standard lot size is what you will see most commonly when trading with the standard account types of many Forex brokers. It represents a 100,000 unit lot of the base currency, and trading with this position size generally means that each pip movement in your trade would be worth approximately $10 in most currency pairs. When you purchase 1 lot of a Forex currency pair, it means you are buying 100,000 units of the base currency. For example, let's consider you want to buy the euro against the US dollar, and the exchange rate for EUR/USD is 1.17. So, when you buy 1 standard lot of EUR/USD, you will be making $117,000 worth of purchases. Mini lots, 10,000 currency units. A mini lot size is a suitable option for those who prefer to trade Forex with slightly lower amounts on a trading platform. However, don't be misled by the name. Even though they are called mini lots, they still represent a significant investment and have the potential to generate substantial profits for many traders. A mini lot is equivalent to 10% of a standard lot. 100,000 x 0.10 equals 10,000 units. This means it represents 10,000 units of your account funding currency. If you have a dollar-based account and trade a dollar-based currency pair, each pip price change in your trade would be worth $1. In the Forex market, 1 mini lot refers to a volume of 10,000 units. So when you purchase 1 mini lot of a Forex currency pair, it means you bought 10,000 units of the base currency. For instance, let's consider you want to buy a EUR/USD, and the exchange rate is 1.17. Therefore, when you buy 1 mini lot of EUR/USD, you will be making $11,700 worth of purchases. Micro lots, 1,000 currency units. Micro lots are considered one of the smallest tradable lot sizes in the Forex market. They offer a secure platform for beginner traders to gain valuable experience and exposure to the industry with a low initial investment, while keeping the risk at a minimum. A micro lot is equal to 1% of a standard lot. 100,000 x 0.01 equals 1,000 units. If your account is funded in US dollars, this means that a micro lot represents $1,000 worth of the base currency you wish to trade, and each pip value would be worth just 10 cents. In Forex, 1 micro lot refers to a volume of 1,000 units. So, when you purchase 1 micro lot of a Forex currency pair, it means you acquired 1,000 units of the base currency. Let's assume you want to buy a EUR/USD, and the exchange rate is 1.17. Therefore, when you buy 1 micro lot of EUR/USD, you will be making $1,170 worth of purchases. Nano lots, 100 currency units. A nano lot is the smallest available trading lot size in a trading account. It provides an opportunity for real money trading beyond a demo account, with significantly lower risk compared to larger lot sizes. For many traders taking their first steps into the trading arena, nano lots are an ideal starting point. They allow you to gain a sense of the Forex and financial markets, while minimizing the risk of losing a substantial amount of money. A nano lot consists of 100 base currency units, which have a total value of $100 in the case of our US dollar trading example. Trading with a nano lot size means that each pip value in your trade would be worth 0.1 cents. In Forex, 1 nano lot refers to a volume of 100 units. So when you purchase 1 nano lot of a Forex pair, it means you acquired 100 units from the base currency. Let's say you want to buy a EUR/USD, and the EUR/USD exchange rate is 1.17. Therefore, when you buy 1 nano lot of EUR/USD, you will be making $117 worth of purchases.